In some cases, the replacement functions will call the original functions, but not in all cases. I ended up patching 5 methods, 4 in the raw turtle class and 1 in the turtle screen class. This is enough for me to create my simple line drawing. To capture more complete data like pen size and color would require just a little bit more work. My code starts out by caching all the methods that will be patched. Next, the replacement methods are defined. The init method is patched to add the animation action list. It needs to call the original init method. Methods that move the turtle around, like goTo and teleport, also call their original cached versions, because I want the turtles to go through all of these motions. The drawLine method is called from the goTo method. It updates the line on the canvas as the drawing animation plays out. I patch it in order to record these steps, but it does not need to call its original version. The remaining methods are responsible for updating the canvas. They don't need to call their original versions or do anything else. At this point, I want to suppress all of the drawing. I just want the turtles to go through the motions so I can record their steps.